boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar, KAROL G, a beautiful song, Feliz, I think that is how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. Before we move on with this beautiful song, I need to highlight my new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. We have a link up here. I need your support, guys. You need your help to grow that channel. That is the best way you can thank me, is to go and subscribe to that one and be a follower. Yes, we have a new way of learning, a full playthrough on that channel with chords shown on the screen. That is what's up. Now, let's focus on KAROL G and her beautiful song with the capo on 6. Absolute best scenario if you want to match up with the sound and have the easiest chords possible. Yes, a bit tricky, some parts here, but don't give up on it. I promise you, you have to try, because you will feel enlightened when you manage to handle this picking pattern. It's nice and beautiful. It's not too hard, actually, okay? So, let's go into it. We have to learn some chords first. It's the A minor 7 to start with. It's open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the D add 4, a version of it, and it goes like this. Open D, open G, third B, and second E. Then we have the E minor, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and we add that third E. Then we have the C, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the GB, and that goes second A, open D, open G, third B, and open high E. And there you have it. You have that same chord progression through the entire song. We want to focus on the melody because that is what's sweet. You can, I'm gonna give you the strumming later afterwards, but I suggest you go with the strumming for the song, okay? So A minor part goes like this. So you have that bass note of open A, you pick that together with first B. Then you continue with open G, second D. Then you repeat that, first B, open G, second D, and first B, open G. So slowly. Then we have the D add part. It goes like this. So you're gonna pick the open D together with second high E. Then comes this motion. So you play and pick the open G, and you hammer on to get the second G. So you don't pick that second G, you just hammer on. Okay, so that is one round. So then you repeat that, second high E, open to second G, second high E, and open G. So slowly. Then comes the E minor part, and you're gonna play this. So you pick the open high E in the bass, open bass E, and then third fret high E together, and then you play open G, open B, third high E, then open G, open B, third E, and open E, G. So, and then comes that little bit the trickier part. So we have to stretch out a little bit. It's the C and the GB part. Okay, so you want to play this first for C. So the grip is to play the index finger on the third fret A. Then I use my little ring finger to pick that fifth fret D. And the little pinky on the fifth fret B, okay? So with that grip, I play the third A together with fifth B, then fifth D, open G, and fifth B. That's it for the C. And then you go to this. And that's the GB part. So you're gonna play the second fret A together with third fret B, and I hold my index and mid finger for that, okay? So, and And then I stretch out my little pinky to get that 5th fret D string, open G, and 3rd B. And that's it for the GB. So slowly. That ends the round. So 1 round slowly, A minor, D, E minor, C, GB goes like this. All right, so in tempo. Beautiful. Now we can learn this with strumming. So if we grab the first chord, A minor, now you have to hold the chords as they are, and you're gonna play like this for 1 string around. So down, down, up, down, down. That is what I would use, or will be close to that picking pattern, so it connects. So okay, so down, down, up, down, down is 1 round. You're gonna double up the strumming around. So A minor, 2 rounds, D, 2 rounds, E minor, 2 rounds, C, 1 round, and GB, 1 round. So KAROL G, Final, Feliz, beautiful song. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.